What do you do if you decide to build a new shed for your backyard? Go to the garden center and buy one? Hire a reputable contractor? Buy a pre-made shed from lumber mills? You may be right. Then again, you may be wrong. If you would like to save 50% or more on your home projects, and feel the satisfaction of doing it yourself, this is where myshedplans.com comes to the rescue. My Shed Plans offers the most complete home project resource you can buy on the internet. It is bursting with plans for over 12,000 woodworking projects. You will find plans for birdhouses, garden furniture, sheds, full-size decks, and everything in between. If it can be made out of wood, it will most likely be here. All plans are complete from start to finish, and include material lists, detailed diagrams, and explicit step-by-step instructions. Download your plans now, by clicking on the link in the description box below.